Hey, abusia, aye dey beef oh beef. Efia Shras nega ene ekwapim polo with the latest beef anope ya ene baba behwem. Na sesi ano Efia Shras nega say od one na ebro so emma yakasa kasa yenua ba ekwapim polo. Se won shona no ye. Se wonim no wonim no wanyi no wadwen amfi ne tim no wanya na adwen se wono sa ne video na aba abonten wono Efia Shras nega ne hu bia wabaya steady papa enye easy na abusiafo ensem no ayekasi ye pa yenya ba Efia Shras nega uti we say ensem a wo keka na ensem a wo chrochro no ano odin because wo hwa ensem a eye abufusem Efia Shras nega yenya nim so no de kroma no mo de adese wanhonya hu nko ade obeka na ekwapim polo nso de yenya nim se de bia no ekwapim mo beba asem a na ni naked pictures na wo ho no mo Efia de ba ye no na osan begu yankasa ye ekwapim polo ani ma se kama gu na ni ma se fe na owi na wo wone no na ensem de before me concept no so no wo de abusua mo pam atwa ama me widi kakra bi na yenti asama na ye nuaba Efia Shras nega anyone nana wode emma ekwapim polo hey oh my god crew ensem wa ha o ensem wa ha also sometime 2016 Efia Shras nega na ekasa no sometime 2016 you sent me this to insult you so you can trend Efia the picture bi abeto no mo aye ekwapim polo picture picture no enu na etwagu e was screen na so no and was say ekwapim polo e the sa picture no sending no and waka cha ne say on post to na on didi na tem enu ni also sometimes 2016 you sent me this to insult you so you can trend instead I made you my little friend so you can achieve the fame you want positively was who sending me picture way e ka cha me say me snap picture way and to me page so na me ni watem na mo me wo sa wo ye me nua ketewa enti no ade a esi wani so a wo pese wo be ya na se no fame na wo pe no e wasa me sumitimi bua na fame no wutimi nya Efia na kasa no me patro ye ntie de Efia ekafa ho I say and guess what after giving you out that fame you decided to backbite me to people I work with. Oh yes, I have your chat with Pinaman Cosmetics and all the pictures you circled to her for her to see my black elbow. Was it empty? Me bon modern yes, ade wie ye edo to ho no mo hype wo microphone hu say ye wa ban ye bi efe na ekwapim polo wie ye no na wankasa enkrofo a me ne omo ye adwuma no well sanda no hu dua broni sa ankrofo no ho mo se me kire sa ankrofo no wo send me pictures bi the man crofo efe mo Pinaman Cosmetics ebusuafo Efia Shras nega ta ye advert the ma Pinaman Cosmetics ye pa enti according to Efia no was say ekwapim polo send sa pictures bi the man sa Pinaman Cosmetics for no and was circle ni search ne elbow asa na batwe so one hwe Efia no mo na ye black meaning say no wa catch up in a man for say Efia nankasa no wa pon ho enti no oye nipa tuntum na na say why kokonti ye hwe na na batwe ho no mo no na batwe ati won say echi ho no mo no ho no mu na aye tuntum when na Efia compatro mamento aso na ye hwe de na Efia ka I say but you refuse to circle your tiger skin to her was Emma was sending some pictures no Emma Pinaman Cosmetics no na refisa wankasa already no sebori de enti wo de wo sebori de no one sende from Pinaman Cosmetics and I say did I come on social media to call you out was mra kokoye sa no wo sa me Efia Shras nega me ba abonten ebe kan wo asemi ana me ba abonten ebe atake wo asemo I say, did I come out on social media to call you out? Because you are not worth my time and brand. You are not worth my platform. What's if you say, Mr. Soon say, one person, me class, and I want me brand. ana wankasa no nyo bi a wo ben wo baby emu enu ntina me bo modern say saa time kra no wo mean feel me ma attention if you say men feel also what will I get from circulating that nudity of yours was a mere fiasfias nigga and necessary munya mo te wono mo na ebinim wayo mo adwe wo Ekapim Polo wo ka che nkrofo say sa video na ba bonte no eye wono na wa ma sa video na ba bonte da bi da na me fiasfias nigga me busa wo Ekapim Polo me de sa video ne ba bonte a de na menya first one pa na me fiasfias nigga me menya o sa video na wo cheche say me na me de ba bonte no also for fame or for money me de ba bonte say sebe afi na me san pe hype ana say me san pe ske bi ana busa pa say die nti pa na me fiasfias nigga me fa o sa naked video de ba bonte afi na me pe hype na me pe say nkrofo hu me nkrofo hu me say ye fra me fiasfias nigga ana say ske bi na me pe Warrior no say, I am famous and richer than you and don't need you for anything. What's me was sika. Afens me magidini. And to one case say Ekapim Polo na one who me here for anything. Ubi be anyone me shall say me hear me. In fact, my children are famous and richer than you. Me man kura wamudi mechin me man kura mpokura. Wamukura muska. And after to crown, one more didn't say what Ekapim Polo. Me mano, one more didn't say. Also, let me warn you for the last time. Me was it, me one no, me more the last warning. You are not my mate or class. When you me tipping, and I want you me class. When you me tipping, and I want you be at me cry. Take my name out of your mind and mouth. Ye me dini. Nothing free what dream anyone wait I last one in a fiasfias nigga wabomodin edema Ekapim Polo na I am bro if you this asemi beto one mo na abusua as when so kache ana Ghana for say sem kesi aba Frank Kesi so afia yo bi a wono no ya nade a no aye no ajamoa no show no prepare for the right time. Now, if you want a man, what you go at Sham who say yes. Says a video about that one, according to Ekapim Polo, no, Ekapim say I fear and I want more dear releases and the video, naked video, no, at the above one thing. And according to a fiancé, no, yen himself on the Pinama Cosmetics for and a year Juma. Ain't no, or no Ekapim Polo, where they can't crack or say fear, I work Pinama Cosmetics one more. And they say no videos by no what near Shefia. And Ghana for because I don't cry Ghana for Ghana stars Ghana celebrities more problems. Not just as they say no, the moment will be by our drum, I will bet you a baby pet. Nasabe 1 year go. Will be our drum, no do shiny power pet, no aqua and no necase. Shall picture Ekapim Polo, a bomb modern, Edison, a fiashwa. Say Kabaya a fiashwa and sending no a nude picture. Not just say a fia Canadian, one what me bombarding. One what me bombarding adding in naked video and a naked picture at me the more be say, you didn't attempt say a bear Ghana for Becanasem. Wow, look, and to where you the pianca, Emma ye. And a bit so say, a fia, so Casapin a man cosmetics for us to swear as a match where Honsu sono, Abia was all because Nipanye. Nipa de edu baby a ebia na odo a wo ni nipa ni ntem no yesronko anase ekese pe na nipa da senya bomode pese wo besese mu ntem ebia na nka sa time na so no wo bomode bu se Ekapim Polo anka ebia nka no so de nchechem meba because ebia me ka se enkonkonsa wo hoi nipa ba ko ne di konkonsa nipa ba ko timi di konkonsa fi se nipa mienu ene di konkonsa there is no way a me di konkonsa no the second part is bet sound so no so nka bi en kongonsa we nipa me na nipa me ni sudi a eno kra ma ne yede we ka na we ka e de na Pinama Cosmetics for so kai enti afia wonye ni hwehwemu ye pa ana Ghana for bi so ka se ya bibisa de afia Shasnega kan yampa because yanka se yenhwe na nsemu afia ene mezo benya problem no ene trace so ne mezo benya problem no ye na ye hwe ya na afei Ekapim Polo one Miss Ball and a year interview Miss Ball daily being a program be a na Miss Ball no ni Miss Ball na shibom and said na afia e ka se one no wa boa no wa be hype na ma atwapem aba bagyi din enso se no won na atamfo hwibom no ebi ka se na che se ehwo na afia Schwarzenegger ka no eye no krepa okay me de bia me kasa me sie moral comment section enti me no kasa ye moral ho no mo na ye ntie ensem a enkrofo nso ka fa sa asem ehu wey aye ni aba Biggie Zuga, actress Biggie Zuga also says please no need, just like you mentioned, not worth it. Also says where the enye hwe say na odi kai ka say I wano no want to bibia mu enye ne class no ontimi me wono science where the ehun twa bibia so wey Biggie Zuga and na efia Schwarzenegger buy and wo be ono so be comment here say thank you sis. When she had the heel fashion was so Pinama Cosmetics told you all this. Hey, and if you are by yes, I say yes, because I beg her to put polo on it. This is loyalty. Was it Annie anti Pinama Cosmetics for and one more what they catch out say your polo and I send the pictures I will search in elbow I to and the man I not say Annie say area say the one. So ona adwempa wotima because one open Pinama Cosmetics no one yankrofo a efia Schwarzenegger na advert enti one also cast almost cast say efia no na kopese wo creative relationship between polo so ne Pinama for no enti o catch up Pinama say sa advert o mo na to so no o mfa kapin polo so ento so when na Pinama for beka say share what da kra na egu abonten hwe de afia Schwarzenegger cheche wonnim aba anam prayer yi polo abe pray wechi ha ka won ka sa asem wo dwen ho won de wabesa wo se poto ewo aha no mo eya asem o na we so eye o se be Kisa Bekele. I was a mommy, calm down. I love you so much. Was a young mammy if you're Schwarzenegger, yes, so bra for my what's it? If it's a send yet, bia, Nissan Yakonibia, Yado ye pa. Where is Anna? I say, Lady Gaga was say, it's annoying these days how people pay us back with evil. Some of us prevent us from helping others who truly needs help. Oh, Lady Gaga, mamma, who ye pa. I say. Send nneɛma bi kɔ ɛtɔ de bi ana bon sɛdeɛ bi afa nsɛm na ɛyɛ na ɛyɛ time sɛ wɔn sɛ na ɛkɔ no ɛyɛ bufu ama bi kura na wɔ bi wɔ akyire nipa ne ehia ɛmoa paa wonim paa sɛ nipa ne hia moa ɛso sɛ na nneɛma akɔntin nipa nyenti no ɛwo sɛ nipa no kura o ba bɛboa no nsɛm de nkrɔfoɔ bi aka wɔ ha no paa wo sa hwɛ a wei so ɛfrɛ no kwadwodwa no wɔ se afia just leave that lady alone. Or if you're in Gamba, and confirm the aka can somewhere, but the last one I am a report. It's annoying these days how people pay us back with evil. Some of us prevent us from helping others who truly needs help. I said the binimu no and not not what the bonnet papa not the bonnet chalka and see. Emma papa bi ya kra pese wo ye no wontimi nye ewiasa ehu pa abusuanti mi dio bibiara esi na mi din dio akasa wonim aye Cindy Cashman no kekame adofo na mehye mo sa mo nkoso na mo hwe na mo like na mo hye my abrina adofo na tie for makwamo.